In today's video, we're going to cover some actionable tips that can help you drive more traffic and sales to your digital products. 1. Optimize your product pages. The first tip for increasing traffic and sales is to optimize your product pages. Make sure your product page has a clear and concise product description, images, and videos that showcase your product in the best light. Use customer reviews and testimonials to provide social proof and boost confidence in your product. Additionally, use clear call to action buttons that encourage visitors to take action and purchase your product. 2. Email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool to drive traffic and sales to your digital products. Build an email list of potential customers and send them regular newsletters and product updates. Use attractive subject lines and personalize your emails to make them more engaging. 3. Create valuable content. Creating valuable content is a great way to attract potential customers and drive traffic to your product pages. Use blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media posts to provide value to your audience. Share your knowledge and expertise related to your product and industry. Also, use search engine optimization techniques to optimize your content for search engines and improve your visibility. 4. Use social media marketing. Social media is a powerful tool for driving traffic and sales to your digital products. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to engage with your audience and promote your products. Use eye-catching visuals and videos to attract attention and create engagement. Use social media ads to target specific audiences and drive traffic to your product pages. 5. Offer incentives and referral programs. Offering incentives and referral programs is a great way to encourage customers to make a purchase and refer others to your products. Offer exclusive discounts, free trials, or bonus products to incentivize customers to make a purchase. Use referral programs to encourage customers to share your products with their friends and family. Provide them with rewards for each successful referral. These are some actionable tips for digital product marketing that can help you drive more traffic and sales to your products. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.